YouTube. We're doing Mughlai this week. So from the Mughlai kitchen, this Wednesday we have Mughlai chicken. Let's start cooking. For the Mughlai chicken, what I had done yesterday was to marinate the chicken in some ginger garlic paste, some chilies and some yogurt, and we kept it overnight for this to marinate. So this is how it looks after the marination. So let's start cooking. Pan is heating. We'll need about 2 tablespoons of oil in this, and just eyeball it. To that I have fried onion paste, and we're going to put this in. And then here I have black cardamoms, cinnamon, some mace, and here green cardamoms, cloves, and some black peppercorns. So we'll put all this in. We will fry this for a couple of minutes on medium-high heat. To this, we'll add some water. Again, I have made some paste of cashews and almonds, and this is the water. I just want to wash it out. So instead of putting like regular water, I have a little bit of water here that I'm going to use. So I'll increase the heat to make it come to a boil. To this we'll add a little bit of salt. We'll add the chicken. So this is the marinated chicken. We'll add a little bit more salt to the chicken because we didn't add salt to the chicken when we marinated it. We'll fry this for about on high for about 4 or 5 minutes. Cook the chicken on high for about 4 or 5 minutes. So we're going to add 2 bay leaves, Garam Masala powder, red chili powder and turmeric, and this is coriander and chili paste. So we'll mix this together and we'll cover it and cook it for another about 5 minutes till the chicken is cooked, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. We've been cooking the chicken for about 5 minutes, so we'll take the lid off. We'll increase the heat We'll add a couple of green chilies. So these are hot green chilies. This is cashew and almond paste. So normally, it is the Mughlai dishes are pretty spicy and have some sort of a nut paste to it to make it rich. And then in the end, we'll add a little bit of ghee. We'll just cook it for a little bit more till the chicken is fully done. And then remove it from heat. Mughlai chicken served with naan, and this is garlic chili naan and some thin slices of onion. So that's the dish today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit and see you tomorrow.